Okay, hello everybody. We have an issue. We have a screw in the tire, so it's maybe typical problem, but we are going to fix it with the set. Basically, you can buy it in a Walmart. So I first time going to use it, so I will share my experience with you. First of all, what we need to do, we need to remove this screw from the tire, or nail, or whatever you have, and you can hear it. So it penetrates just enough, so we have air leaking. Okay, so then we use this tool to clean the hole. Actually, so we're using plug needle. So we open the plug. Open the plug and putting it inside plug your needle. Okay, and then okay, we're moving. And using plug your needle to
Wait.
So put it inside. It's about this amount, and then we need a quick move, basically to remove this needle from tire. Careful. Up. So now you see this is inside, no leakage. Now we need to take the knife and then cut this piece. Now just clean a little bit, but it's not necessary because during regular using, so I'll grind it basically. This set also includes the pressure checker, so basically we can check the pressure, and if it's necessary we can pump up the tire. I will test it tomorrow during my drive to the work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it. Bye.